Welcome to Sarita Valley in Leander, Texas. I'm really excited to show you this incredible stone and stucco house that combines a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. Let's take a tour. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home boasts 3,016 square feet of luxurious living space. The exterior is a beautiful blend of stone and stucco, giving it a timeless and sophisticated charm that enhances its architectural appeal. This beautiful dining room is the heart of the home, where memories are made during romantic candlelight dinners and big holiday gatherings. Step inside to the gourmet kitchen, a place where you can bring out your inner chef. The impressive gathering island and double oven make it perfect for entertaining. Plus, the open layout flows seamlessly into the great room. And what's a home without a cozy fireplace? This one features a beautiful travertine surround, creating an inviting atmosphere for chilly evenings. For the busy home executive, this elegant office with wood flooring is a lovely spot to stay productive. It's a great place to work from home in style. Large windows throughout the house let in plenty of natural light, making every room feel bright and airy. The primary bedroom features a large window with high ceilings. The primary bath features a soaking tub, separate shower, and double sink vanity. The large walk-in closet provides ample storage space. The laundry room and powder room are also located on the main floor. And for some family fun, head upstairs to the spacious game room. It's the perfect spot for movie night or a teen retreat. There are 3 more spacious bedrooms on the second floor and 2 more full bathrooms. Located in the heart of Santa Rita Valley, this home offers not just luxury, but also access to amazing community amenities and the beautiful Brushy Creek Regional Trail System. It's truly the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining me on our tour. If you're looking for a home that combines luxury, comfort, and community, this is a perfect spot for you.